Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook dry mushrooms with groundnuts. First, let's prepare our dried mushrooms. Begin by selecting a good quality variety. Place them in a bowl and cover with warm water, allowing them to soak for at least 30 minutes until they are completely soft. Don't discard that flavorful soaking liquid. It's a secret ingredient. Once rehydrated, gently squeeze out any extra water. Next, let's get our groundnuts ready. If using raw groundnuts, roast them in a dry pan over medium heat until they turn a lovely golden brown and release a nutty aroma. Once cooled, remove their skins. Now, prepare your aromatics. Finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Have your favorite spices, like a teaspoon of curry powder, at hand. Now for the cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan. Add your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent. Introduce the rehydrated mushrooms, cooking for about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the roasted groundnuts, your chosen spices, and the reserved mushroom soaking liquid. Let it all simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Taste your delicious mushroom and groundnut dish and adjust the seasoning as needed with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For a burst of freshness, garnish generously with chopped fresh cilantro or thinly sliced spring onions. Serve this hearty and flavorful meal hot, perhaps alongside fluffy rice, warm flatbread, or as a delightful side dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.